the continent is influenced by several major climate systems. The North Atlantic Current, a warm current that brings mild temperatures to the eastern coast. The Pacific Ocean, a source of moisture that influences the western coast. The Gulf Stream, a warm current that influences the southeastern coast. North America is home to a rich and diverse culture influenced by its history, geography, and people. Indigenous cultures. The continent has a long history of indigenous people with unique languages, traditions, and art forms. European colonization has left a significant mark of North American culture, including languages, architecture, and customs. African American culture, the legacy of slavery, and the subsequent struggle for equality have shaped a distinct African American culture. Latin American influences. The presence of Latin American populations has brought unique cultural elements such as music, food, and language. North America is a vast and diverse continent with a rich history and culture. It is a continent of contrasts with a wide range of landscapes, climates, and people. The countries of North America. We have the Canada, United States of America, Mexico, Costa Rica, Cuba, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, Barbados, Cuba, Dominican Republic, Haiti, Jamaica, Saint Lucia, Trinidad and Tobago. Ladies and gentlemen, the kindergarten learners representing North America.
Wala, may takwan pa.